how to fix Facebook Marketplace option not showing. So if I open up my Facebook on my device, he'll get to see there is no Marketplace option at the top on the tab bar. So if you're experiencing the same problem, then here's how you can fix and get the Marketplace option back to your Facebook account. Well, so now to add the Marketplace option to your tab bar, the very first thing that you have to do, from the Facebook homepage, go and tap on this profile icon at the top right. Now once you're here inside the Facebook profile, go and tap on this three dot line at the top left, and from here you just need to scroll down and go and tap on settings and privacy. Now go and tap on the settings again here. Now once you're here inside the settings and privacy of your Facebook account, you just need to scroll down a little bit and you'll get to see the option called tab bar. You just need to tap on tab bar and go and tap on customize the bar, and once you're here inside the customize bar, at the bottom you'll get to see that under the hidden section the Marketplace is hidden. Now all you have to do is just go and tap on this hidden option beside the Marketplace and then go and tap on pin. Now once you do that, the Marketplace will be pinned at the very top. Now if I get back to the home page of the Facebook account, he'll get to see the Marketplace option is back. But if you're still not getting the Marketplace option, you just need to refresh the page, or you just need to remove the page from the background and reopen the Facebook application, and the Marketplace will be available. And this is how you actually can get back the Marketplace option on your Facebook account. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.